Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. NEET 2020 dates have been a hot topic for debate for past few months, and finally NTA has declared that the date for NEET 2020 is September 13 and this date won't postpone any further. Now that this date has been fixed and is fast approaching, we hope that you all are set to take these exams on. At this time, other than revising your concepts for exam, you need to prepare to go to the exam centers. So today we will be sharing with you the list of items that you need to carry with you for your NEET 2020 exams. So starting with the things that you need to carry with yourself, the first and the most important is face mask. So you need to carry your own face mask with you, which is big enough to cover both your nose and your mouth. Next, you need to have your hand gloves with you. Make sure you carry your hand gloves with you along with the face mask. Then you need a transparent water bottle. You need to carry your own water bottle with you for the exam center, and this bottle should be transparent. So make sure your water bottle is transparent. Then you need the transparent 50 ml bottle of hand sanitizer. You can carry any hand sanitizer with you. Just make sure that the bottle is transparent and preferably it should be a 50 ml bottle. Other than these, you need your exam related documents. You need to carry all the documents with you. So what are these documents? Let's discuss them. So the first and most important document that you will have to carry with yourself is your admit card. Okay, the NEET 2020 admit card. You can go to the NTA official site and download your NEET admit card. Alright, so here in the admit card you will have to fix your photograph, a passport size photograph, and this photograph should be same as what you have uploaded in the NEET application. Other than that, you will need to have your thumb impression in the admit card as well as your parent's signature should be there. Your signature, do not need to do it right here. Your signature will be done in the exam hall in front of the invigilator. So make sure your signature is not done. It will be done in front of the invigilator only. Okay. After that, what you need is a passport size photograph. So this photograph should be same as the one you have uploaded in the NEET application. So make sure to carry your passport size photograph with you. Also, you need to have a valid photo ID proof with you. You can carry your driving license, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, passport, voter ID, ration card, your class 12th admit card, or your Aadhaar enrollment number with the photograph. So you need to have at least one of these photo ID proof with you. So make sure you have a valid photo ID proof with you. And then if you are physically handicapped, you need to carry your PWD certificate, as well as if you need a scribe, your scribe related documents should also be carried with you. Alright, so make sure all these documents are with you when you are at the exam center. Other than all those documents, there is a new document, new form which you need to fill for this NEET 2020. This is self-declaration form. So this form has come into place as a precaution for COVID-19. So this will help authorities understand few things about you. So basically this is a very simple form where you need to fill whether you have had flu-like symptoms in past 14 days, whether you have come in contact with anyone infected with COVID-19 in past 14 days, and if you have traveled to or from any city or country in past 14 days. Okay, so you will get this form in the NTA site itself along with your admit card. So you need to fill that form and take it with you to the exam center. Okay, so this is what a self-declaration form look like. Alright, so here under 2 you will see it is said I have in last 14 days. So in last 14 days, if you have any of these following, you need to mark it. Okay, so first is if you have had flu-like symptoms. So if you have had fever, cough, breathlessness, sore throat, runny nose, body ache, or any other symptoms like that, so you need to mark that. Then, if you have been in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID-19, then you need to mark that as well. Okay, so by close contact, what we mean is if you have been in less than 1 meter distance for more than 15 minutes. Okay, other than that, you need to also tell them if you have traveled to any other city or any other country in last 14 days. So you need to specify which city or country you have traveled and then the date of arrival into the city. Okay, so this is what a self-declaration form is like. Here also you will need to get your parent's signature, you need to paste your photo. Again, this photo would be same as the one used in the NEET application. You need to give your left thumb impression and the signature will be done in front of the invigilator. So do not sign this self-declaration form, okay? This signature will be done in the exam center in front of the invigilator only. Okay guys, so that was the list of items that you need to carry with you to the exam center for NEET 2020. There is no need to panic. You can do your best if you are very calm. So when you get your question paper, read the question paper thoroughly and start answering it very calmly. We are sure you'll be able to do your best. You have all our best wishes with you. So if you liked this video, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel as well. So guys, that was all for today. Keep working hard and all the best for your exams.